Hi, I'm Porsche Cooper, also known as Porsche Fabulous, and welcome to the MAC channel. I am a celebrity makeup artist based in New York City and also a former MAC manager. Today I'm going to show you how to perfect your oily skin using Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. I have oily skin, which will serve me well later on in life, but as it relates to me wearing my makeup, I like to control and combat the oiliness that my skin produces, which is why I love Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone. It helps to blur my pores and it also helps to control the oils and the shininess throughout the day. So you don't need a large amount of this, just about so for your entire face. I have more of a lowercase T-zone in terms of oiliness, so I like to make sure that I concentrate it there. You can already see how instantly matte my skin became, which is now perfect for applying my foundation. Love the Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear concealer. I personally like to use two different shades. NW40 underneath my eyes, the warmth helps to brighten and conceal darkness, and then I like to use NC45 across the rest of my face to spot conceal. So I like to apply the concealer. This is the NC45, which is the closest to my foundation color. I like to apply that across my face first, blend that out with a beauty blender. It doesn't even feel like I have on anything, which is why I like to use this to spot conceal, or even sometimes almost like a foundation. One thing that I love about this concealer is that it easily and quickly covers up discoloration. I had this little troll that decided to reappear, and this concealer will instantly cancel out the redness and make this side look flawless. So I also have a little discoloration around my lip area, which I like to conceal as well. So I'll just take about 3 dots, maybe 5, and just buff that out. So I put the NC45 across my face because that is my complexion color, but underneath my eyes, I like to use a concealer that has a warmer undertone. That will help to brighten as well as conceal the discoloration underneath my eyes. So this is NW40, and I typically will apply 3 different stripes like so that I can blend it out and blend it down into the coverage across my face. I'm gonna use the 286 brush to buff that out. I like to blend the concealer out, but also when you get to the outer corner of your eye, lift the brush upward and outward. It helps to lift up the eyes. I mean, even if you look right now, I haven't even finished blending, but look at what sweeping the concealer up and out does to the shape of my eye. It almost looks like I've applied eyeliner to give myself a cat eye. So now that my complexion is nice and even tone, I'm gonna use the Prep and Prime transparent finishing powder. I love this powder because you can use it before or after your makeup. It is completely transparent, so all skin tones can use this product, and basically use it wherever you wanna cancel out shine. An icon in makeup. Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation gives you ultra matte, super buildable coverage, perfect for oily skin types. Sometimes I get a little acne. It will definitely cover your acne but will not cause it. Wears for up to 12 hours and controls oil for 8. Studio Fix Powder is such an iconic product, which is why I've been using it personally since the 90s, because it's literally a 3-in-1 product. You can use it as a powder, you can use it as a foundation, or you can use it to set your look. The beautiful thing about Studio Fix is wherever you need more of it, apply it there, and where you need less, just lightly sweep it on. The motion that you use will really control the amount of coverage that you're building in that one particular area. So for me, I like to be and look more flawless in this area, whereas my forehead doesn't have as much discoloration, so I can definitely use less there. Always, always, always blend below the jawline so that there is no demarcation in color between your face and your décolleté. So make sure that you blend past your jawline. I feel flawless. Now for a little lash love, I'm going to apply the In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. I love this mascara because it's the blackest of black. My lashes are actually really short, and the way that this brush is combing through my lashes, giving them so much volume. I normally wear a false lash every single day. The fact that my lashes look this long and this voluminous is insane. I'm a brow girl, So I have to finish with a little eyebrow Big Boost Fiber Gel. This is in the color Spiked. I like to brush my brows up and out. It's gonna add a little bit of extra dimension and color to my brows. Oh, my brows look good. So now I'm gonna use lip pencil and plum to define and contour my lips. For the corners, I like to use the point of the pencil, and then for everywhere else, I like to use the side. I love a matte lipstick, so now I'm gonna add the Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color and devote it to chilling. Feels so smooth, very soft, beautiful color. So now I'm gonna set my look with Fix Plus Matte. I love this product because it's gonna give my skin a velvety, luscious matte finish, and it's also gonna help to reinforce shine and oil control. Shake, 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 shake. That feels so divine. So that's it. That concludes my tutorial on how to perfect oily skin using Studio Fix powder. Stay tuned on the MAC channel for more tips and tricks.